In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color code in Clickfunnel. We're going to walk through exactly where to find your color settings, how to apply hex color codes, and how to use those colors for your backgrounds, text, and decorative elements so your funnels stay visually consistent with your brand. First, let's access your style colors. From your Clickfunnels dashboard, look down to the bottom left and click on Workspace Settings. This is where you control global settings that affect your entire workspace. Once you're inside, scroll down until you see the Styles tab and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of styles that you've already created or that come by default. Find the specific style you want to edit and click Customize Design. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu of options. Go ahead and click on Colors. This is your main color control panel and where you'll be working most of the time in this tutorial. Now let's customize your theme colors using hex codes. Theme colors are your core brand colors, and they'll be reused across different parts of your funnel. On the left side, you'll see a set of theme color squares. Click on any one of these squares. A color picker will open up. If you already know your brand color code, simply type the hex code directly into the field, something like NANDFF5733 as an example. This ensures perfect consistency with your logo, website, or style guide. If you don't have an exact code, you can still use the color slider and drag around the color palette to choose something that looks right visually. Take a moment to experiment until you're happy. Then, repeat this process for the other theme color squares so you have a complete set of brand colors. When you're done, make sure you click Update to save your changes. Otherwise, your new colors won't be applied. Once your theme colors are set, you can start customizing your background colors. These backgrounds help define the overall look and feel of each section of your funnel. Choose the background variation you want to adjust: lightest, light, colored, dark, or darkest. Each variation can be tuned separately, which gives you flexibility while still keeping things consistent. Inside that background, you'll see different groups of color options. Under Background, you can modify the base color and overlay color. This is great for subtle gradients or overlays that sit on top of images. Under Text, set colors for your headlines, subheadlines, and content, so everything remains readable against the chosen background. Under Decoration, you can tweak colors for links, icons, and bullets, which helps your calls to action stand out clearly. If you prefer precision here as well, you can enter hex codes for any of these color fields, matching them exactly to your brand palette. When you're finished adjusting a background variation, click Back to Colors to return to the main color area. Don't forget to hit Update one more time to save all of your changes so they appear in your funnels.